How to make the Lego Ninjago Shurikens of Ice. Step 1. After making the Sword of Fire and the
Scythe
of Quakes, have a bajillion people comment and ask for the Shurikens of Ice. And wanting to oblige, move on to Step 2. Trace out a shuriken. Step 3. Cut and trace, then cut. Step 4. Make an OREO. Step 5. Carve. Because this is your life now. First the sword, then the scythe. Now these. It's just so much carving. Step 6. Subscribe. Now that 3 of the golden weapons are done, you won't want to miss the 4th, so subscribe and hit that notification bell. Step 7. Plastidip. Step 8. Make it gold. Step 9. Beauty shots. Step 10. Practice your skills.